Chemistry has an important role in medicine, both as a diagnostic and treatment tool. Without chemistry, we would not know anything about plants and herbs, which resulted in the development of medication. Without chemistry, we would not maybe living. Drugs are chemicals. All medicines are made of refined by chemical processes. For example, painkillers, antibiotics, anti-cancer drugs, etc. This is because many illnesses would require treatment in which pharmaceutics will need a good understanding on chemistry and chemical properties to discover what solutions will be needed to the treatment of the illness. Now, here we're going to talk about an application of chemistry in food. Nowadays, genetically modified foods or GM foods have been so popular. These are foods produced from organisms that have had specific change introduced into their DNA using these methods of genetic engineering. For this was used chemistry. These techniques have allowed for the introduction of new traits as well as a greater control over a food's genetic structure that previously afforded by other methods.
Chemistry in warfare. Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. This type of warfare is distinct from nuclear warfare and biological warfare, which together make up the NBC, the military acronym for nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare over weapons, all of which are considered weapons of mass destruction. None of these fall under the term conventional weapons, which are primarily effective due to their destructive potential, with proper protective equipment, training, and decontamination measures. The primary effects of the chemical weapons can be overcome. Many nations possess vast stockpiles and weaponized agents in preparation for wartime use. The threat and the perceived threat have become strategic tools in planning both measures and countermeasures.
Chemistry and climate change. Chemists have been contributing on the understanding of climate change, from explaining things such as how carbon dioxide can warm the earth, to analyzing ice caps to predict what will happen to the earth if we do not act. First of all, what are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that captures or absorb the rays of the sun. The primary greenhouse gases are ozone, methane, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases greatly affect the temperature in air. Without them, the Earth's surface will be 33 degrees Celsius colder than it actually is. First of all, the rays of the sun enter to the Earth, and these ones bounce again to the atmosphere, but the thick atmosphere doesn't let them go, so it will continue to be on the Earth.
Another solution can be stabilizing average global temperature, which can be done by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and also by reducing electricity wastage and overuse. Other solution can be the replacement using of coal-fired and oil-fired power stations, which alternate sources, and reduce oil fuel for transport.
I am Cecilia, and I am going to talk about the effects of chemistry in model work. Chemistry studies composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter.
Without chemistry, our lives will not be the same. Chemistry is involved in everything around us. For example, the food we eat every day, the clothes we wear, the car we use to go to school and other places.
The technology that we use every day, when we watch TV, the light of our house, the medicines that we consume when we are sick, agriculture, and much more.
Material film is a chemical we manipulate these chemicals to do modern food, plastics, and technological devices.
Chemistry is part of our daily life. Since we wake up in the morning, everything you can see and touch is made because chemistry. Everything around us has a relation with
Also,
chemistry.
chemistry helps other science and industries to produce a lot of things because they are related.
Humans have discovered different methods to make their life better. I think in the future, scientists will discover more technological advances, and chemistry will help in this important process as always.